Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for a link to my Amazon store where I've compiled some of the very best items available, including some of my own personal recommendations. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. There are two items here, two items that I'm very excited about. One is actually a letter from Frankie and Bird, which is pretty cool, and then I believe I know what the other one is here. Let's go ahead and let's open up the letter from Frankie and Bird because I am pretty excited about this. I was about to come at that in an unconventional way. I'm sure people are like, "What are you doing? Open the letter like a normal human being." I just don't want to mess anything up in here. Just use my finger. People are like, "Use your knife, dude." Oh, yay! Yay! I get to be one of the people that, God dang, you guys sent me way more. Oh my gosh. Yeah, to Metal Complex. Thanks for all the memes. You're welcome. Thank you so much for these. These are awesome. Oh, I love it. I love it. Thank you so much. Dang it. Guys, Frankie and Bird, if you're watching, I feel bad because I was like, what do I say? Because I'm completely out of these. I can't get more of these right now. I have, it's like a different, I'll show you, just so everybody knows, this is what I had to change to while Sticker Mule, you know, I mean, everybody's going through different stuff right now, like all the businesses, what they can produce and whatnot. So they're making these, and these are really hard to fit in the envelopes that I have. So Frankie and Bird, I'll send you some of those as soon as I can get some more, but I sent them 2 each, and now I'm looking at these that they sent me, and like they're so plentiful and so detailed. Thank you guys, that was super cool, awesome. I'm pumped. Let's go ahead and get into this second package here. So I believe this is from DTOM Knives and Gear on Instagram, and I very much remember what is in here. Let me struggle around this. All aboard the struggle bus on the Metal Complex YouTube channel. Okay, so yeah, here's that. You guys, I mean, I'm sure there's a thumbnail that's visually explanatory. And then we've got a whole bunch of stuff here. Oh, good, good. Here's his Instagram information. Let's see if I can show this without giving anything away. Yeah, just so you guys can go give him a follow. At DTOM Knives and Gear is who sent this. So thank you very much, buddy. Absolutely. And he says, MC, I'm so excited to be a part of your channel. I've been watching for a long time. You're the reason I started my channel. So he's got a YouTube channel as well. You have such great content. I'm learning so much. Enclosed is the Quiet Carrier Waypoint for your review. Thanks for everything you do for the knife community. Thanks again, DTOM Knives and Gear. So yeah, check out his YouTube channel and absolutely his Instagram. I really appreciate you sending this along because this is a pretty popular knife right now. Let me go ahead and turn the exposure up just a little bit because we're zoomed out quite a ways. Oh boy, how do we... This is my weakness. It's just like a box that has one extra step to opening it. Oh my goodness. How on earth do we get this out of here? I just do not want to. Oh, okay. So it just slides. God, I am not smart. Hey, there it is. The Quiet Carry Waypoint, as far as I understand. But that's pretty cool. What is this? Oh, neat. Okay, so they kind of add dots to the finishes and things that are applied to it. Boy, that's just a good simple knife. There's a good simple knife. And this has got the you know what, I did not know that this was a, excuse me, subframe or, you know, countersunk liner lock. I thought this was a frame lock and I just didn't pay attention. Yeah, I mean guys, it's like I always say, a lot of times the models that just blow people away, that become ridiculously popular, are, I mean, no, first and foremost, it does have to be a good design, right? But it seems like, you know, designs that are, have a good blade to handle ratio, and are, lightweight, compact, blah, blah, blah. But simplicity as well. Simplicity oftentimes does it because many times with simplicity comes general convenience, right? And it's not like we haven't figured this out before, but I think that, I can throw a bunch of poetic stuff at this if I want. Let's be honest here. A lot of the reason, that this is so popular is, well, number one, it's cutting performance. And I believe there's a variant of this in LC200N, though this one says Vanex. So, maybe I'm wrong about that. Maybe I'm not. Is this running on phosphor bronze? Yeah, it is. I didn't know that either. Yeah, I can do the reverse flick with that too. Guys, this is very compelling. This is really, really cool. So thanks again at D2M Knives and Gear for sending those along. And let's get the Frankie and Bird stickers out. I'm glad that guys, I'm really glad you enjoy my memes, because every time I make one, and it's just spur of the moment, I see something and I'm like, I gotta go find a picture that's associated with that, or I find a funny picture and I'm like, I gotta find some dialogue that's associated. Every time there's this little moment of fear right before I post it, and I'm like, is this actually funny? Or is it just funny to me? So I appreciate the confirmation. Absolutely. Guys, obviously, if you're not subscribed to BirdShot 4, anybody who is, I couldn't imagine there's anybody who's watching my channel who's not familiar with BirdShot 4. But if you're not, please go subscribe to them. They were one of the channels that I've been watching for a really long time, or I was watching for a really long time before I even thought about starting a YouTube channel. So once again, major influencers and hyper entertaining. Absolutely. I think that's going to be about it today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like. So check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on this metal complex logo right here and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.